Hello everyone, this is my review of the Bluetti B300K solar battery pack. This battery boosts your system's capacity by a solid 1,764.8 watt-hours. That means more runtime for critical devices powering appliances during an outage or running lights and a fridge during camping trips. Installation was also straight up plug and play using the provided CA90 expansion cable, no extra tools or tinkering needed. It uses advanced cells designed for a minimum of 4,000 cycles to 80% capacity, and they're built to stay cooler than standard batteries. There's a built-in USB port to directly charge your phone or small devices, ultra convenient in emergencies. Overall, if you want far greater power autonomy at home, on the road, or in a backup situation, this is an innovative, durable, and effective way to scale your system. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.